Okay guys, pakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung giant calamansi. Meron dito sa amin guys. Meron dito sa amin. Okay, andito ang calamansi na hybrid guys. Andito. Ayun ang bunga oh. Akitin natin. Okay. Grabe kami nakakitin itong calamansi guys. Ah. Ito na guys. Calamansi talaga ba guys? Yan ang calamansi guys. Bulog. Okay, ito na. Buksan na natin guys. Ito na. Ay hawa dia tutoy. Sira ang calamansi guys.
My corn is dead. Mom, my corn is dead.
Ito sa kabila.
My corn is dead.
Takip ng pan guys. Baho guys ha.
Takip.
Guys.
Patay mo na yan.
Ang baho.
Takip guys.
Yeah guys. Takip ng kalamansi.
Takip ng kalamansi. Sana yun.
Kung sana ba bangag? Kuan, banga?
Ay, mahulog kami.
Kuana, lusong.
Takip ng kalamansi.
Unsa gipakita yung kalamansi?
Kuan, dagong guys. Dagong nahulog.
Takip ng
Why
kalamansi.
did Tony than you?
Don't speak to me because I can understand you, okay? Speak me in Tagalog only. I can speak English because I can understand English, okay?
Look, my
What's
pop.
that? Popcorn? I eat your popcorn.
Yes,
Oh, thank you.
that's my baby.
Where's your baby? That your baby is popcorn is already no or yes or no? Okay.
My
Pagod na
corn.
lang ang English.
My corn. I need to look.
Tama na yan, bye.
My corn is
Isa mo si
dead.
daddy.